Hey guys, so the numbers are out. Market Watch was released with all the details. What we see is that year to year, Mississauga saw a 2.3% price reduction in comparison to last year. That means the average price right now is $705,785. We also saw that the average days on market is up now to 29 days, and inventory is hovering in around 2 months. Okay, that's what we have for Mississauga. Now, what we have for Oakville is that we have a price reduction of about 10%, which brings us to about 1,041,289. Average days on market is 44 days, so it's actually taking a lot longer to sell a house, and we're seeing inventory somewhere around the 4.5 months. Now for Brampton, we have an average price that's pretty much sustained or stayed the same as last year, 696,345. Average days on market, we're looking at 27 days, and inventory is roughly in around 2 months, 2.39 months of inventory. What does this mean? Now, if you're a buyer, what it means is it's a very good time for you to be thinking about maybe that move up property. Reason being, if you look at traditionally where the market was, like say in early 2000, a freehold, basically anything that doesn't have condo fees, the price is kind of skyrocketed, and they started separating a lot from the condominium. So this gap that was in the early 2000s, what happened is it ended up shrinking. So what happens is freehold, like I said, semis, detaches, freehold townhouses skyrocketed, and then condos started trekking upwards. As soon as this gap got low or got small, people were more entertained to these freehold properties than condos. So this started growing steadily at about, 6 to 8% per year. So what's happened since 2017 when the market went crazy and most of you thought, crap, I'm never gonna be able to buy a house or afford a house ever. So what happened is those freehold properties jumped. Condos were staying, down here someplace. So what happened is over the last couple of years, this started trekking downwards, but condo prices started trekking upwards. That gap now has become small again. So in exchange for paying that condo fee, I would urge you to maybe sit down with us so we can look at your affordability and also be able to talk with a mortgage broker. Because if you can forego that condo fee to buy more home, I would really urge you to consider that. Now, on the seller side, what does that mean to you? Well, it's not all bad news. It just means that you need to be a little bit more flexible on your pricing. I understand it's your home. Trust me, I get it. Your home to you is worth $1 million, and it should be. The problem is the home will only sell what the market is willing to pay for it. So moving forward, we'll see how these numbers translate, especially as we move forward into the spring market, because traditionally the winter market or months usually are not the best. Any questions, please, you're more than welcome to give us a call. We'd be more than glad to sit down and look at your real estate portfolio and be able to advise you in any way, shape, or form that we can.